Okay, everybody, I'm back on YouTube. It's been 3 months, and I'm shooting a thunderstorm video. I've been very depressed. I've been going through a lot of hell, and I wasn't up for making videos, but it's March 15, 2019. I'm making my thunderstorm. First thunderstorm video of 2019. I got mugged in Brownsville. They transferred me over back to Brooklyn in Nancy's shelter. Oops, I missed a good flash. Yeah, me and her broke up, and unfortunately, I'm not going to say anything too much, but she's been yanking my chain. I mean, I've really been crying a lot. I couldn't get out of bed. I mean, I have no freedom anymore, and I have to, like Cinderella, I got a curfew. There's a line of thunderstorms to my north and northwest coming in this direction. I charged my phone. I finally got it working. I was off social media 3 months. I needed a break. I might not finish filming the whole entire thing. You know, they said weak thunderstorms, but it's a lot because I have a curfew. Yeah. I might film more later when it gets severe, but it's like nonstop lightning. I did some shopping in the mall today. The bus is coming. Let me go hail the bus, and maybe I'll shoot some more lightning. Okay, bus break, people. Like my fanny pack. Yeah, the muggers in Brownsville. They mugged my golden pocketbook and ran away. 6 guys held a knife to my head. Let me get my card. I'm making a thunderstorm video. And they were filming the mugging on camera. And I tried to chase after those 6 people. And I ended up almost breaking my back. But I'm moving on. I'm still going to film some thunder and lightning to my north and northwest. But on this angle, it appears to be north. Passing by Marine Park, and we're going to get another shot, people. I am back. I'm still not home yet, and it keeps me up alive. I want to go home more than anything in the fucking world. It's like my biggest dream in life. It's just to go back home. Uh-huh. Okay. It's gonna give me $23 today. My old neighbor, I went to visit Dave and Elena. My daughter Allison. So listen a second, people. I'm so motherfucking busy, I can't even get on YouTube, but I'm passing by the park and I'm going to be filming the lightning. Yeah, you can see my new hat in the mirror. I went shopping, I got myself a mask and everything. Where's my mask? It's not easy to film a thunderstorm on the bus. Oh shit, my whole fucking pocketbook broke. Oh boy. Oh God, people. I don't have enough freedom to do many things anymore, so here's my mask. Sleeping mask. I don't love it. I wear them on my head. Shiny things. My glasses. Okay, folks. Passing by the park, and it's time for me to refill the thunderstorm. I'm getting kind of carried away by all this drama here. My pocketbook by being in a rush to film the thunderstorm. But I have a hard time filming through here. I can't see over these houses. All I see is they look like SWAT stickers. Oh, it's a horse and carriage on people's doors. I have videos about that. Yeah, my dad doesn't shut up. He's only my service provider. So I guess I can't see a fucking thing. We're about to pass the park. And I hope I get something on camera passing through. It is severe. I said, my freedom's been restricted. Okay, I hope something goes off because there's a line of thunderstorms from west to east moving through. It's not raining or thundering yet, but it is coming. Well, this video is going to be I got something a little bit, but you can't see through the glass. This video is going to be a bust. And my jacket got robbed in the shelter. It looks like a castle. I'm so jealous of Nancy's shelter. There's a fucking mentally ill chemical addiction. And I think they got rid of me in the Jamaica Queen shelter because I'm white and they hate whites. They think I'm white gold in Brownsville, and that's why I got mugged. I'm gonna try when I'm passing Fillmore and Garrison Avenue to film this, but this ended up being a shopping accessory video more than lightning. But my phone was mugged with the pocketbook, and the Obama phone is working. And it took me 5 hours because I knew it was gonna thunder today for it to charge. Okay, I think a little lightning went off over there. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm up to. I don't get to charge my phone. I get beat up. I get robbed. I'm going through hell. I'm not ever going to be the same person again. I haven't had a phone for 3 months. I dropped a lot of weight, and I eat like a fucking pig. Yeah, I'm still smoking weed. Not today or now, maybe later, but I need to numb my pain. I know I'm really numbing my brain, but like I say, I'm not allowed to make videos in the shelter like I want to. And I never dreamed in a million years this would happen. My cool boots. Got a new tongue ring today. I haven't went shopping in a long, long time, so it's a treat. Any more lightning? What else do we got here? Alright, it's almost impossible. I just want to give you a quick descriptive of what I've been up to. Toyota!